Working on today is 2007 Ford Expedition. And what the problem is that the brake lights aren't working and it won't shift out of park. And there's a little tab here to facilitate that in emergencies. You pop this little pill out. And now obviously someone tried to pop it out before because that sucker is dogged out big time. So you just need something with a sharp end on it, maybe a knife or a pick or something. And this is what I use to get it out. I use this little tool here to get it out. And so I just popped it from the front here and popped it out. Now, below that there's a small, like a little switch below that you just push this down like that, and then you of course push the brake, and then you can shift it out of park into reverse and neutral and whatever. Now, if you have to keep driving this vehicle like that, this is what I recommend for you to do. And some people may not be able to handle this, but I'm going to tell you how I do it, and then you can choose, as a responsible person, to do it any way you want. But if you need to drive it for a while like this till you get it fixed, put it in neutral, okay, whenever you stop, and hit the emergency brake, set the emergency brake, and you can turn the engine off. I think with this situation like this, can you take the key out? No, you can't. Okay. Well, sorry, that was just an idea I had. But, if you leave it running, you'll have to leave it running if you do it that way. But I was just making that as a recommendation so you didn't have to push that little button every time. Because this has happened before on different vehicles for me, and out running around, you don't want to have to mess with it all the time, so I just put it in neutral and set the brake. So, but anyway, you can't take the key out if you do it that way. You have to leave the key in. So I am going to replace this brake switch, but I'm going to put that in a different video. The shift interlock on this is a non-replaceable item. I went to the dealer, I ran the part number for it. There's only one replacement shift assembly. You have to replace the whole shift assembly. It's like $226, okay? And that's part number for it right there. And it's only on this specific model with this specific VIN number. So you have to run your VIN number and check it. That part is obsolete at the dealer. They don't have it. I think I found one on eBay, but it was like $100 more. So that's kind of where you have to go if this type of situation happens. This is on someone else's vehicle, so trying to rig it up and do some type of finagling to get it to work is not an option. It's going to have to work one way or the other. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody out. Have a good day.